Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some iconic brands trivia. What fast food chain features a clown as its mascot? A. Wendy's, or B. McDonald's, or C. Burger King, or D. Taco Bell? The correct answer is B. McDonald's. Question: which sports brand has a swoosh logo? Possible answers: A. Reebok, Puma, or C. Adidas, or D. Nike? The correct answer is D. Nike. What brand is known for its cola beverage? A. Dr. Pepper, or B. Fanta, or C. PepsiCo, or D. Coca-Cola? The correct answer is D. Coca-Cola. Which company is famous for its electronic devices and iPhones? A. Nokia, or B. Samsung, or C. Apple, or D. Sony? The correct answer is C. Apple. What luxury car manufacturer features a trident in its logo? Lamborghini, or B. Porsche, or C. Maserati, or D. Ferrari? The correct answer is C. Maserati. Which shoe brand uses a three-striped logo? A. Puma, or Adidas, or C. or Reebok? The correct answer is B. Adidas. What clothing brand is symbolized by a crocodile? A. Puma, or B. Lacoste, or C. Columbia, or D. Reebok? The correct answer is B. Lacoste. Which coffee company is known for its mermaid logo? A. Dunkin' Donuts, or B. Peet's Coffee, or C. Coffee Bean, or D. Starbucks? The correct answer is D. Starbucks. What technology company was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen? Apple, or B. Microsoft, or C. IBM, or D. Google? The correct answer is B. Microsoft. Which brand is famous for its chocolate bars featuring a unique nougat? A. Mars, or B. Twix, or C. Snickers, or D. Milky Way? The correct answer is C. Snickers. What fast food chain is known for its Whopper burger? A. Wendy's, or B. McDonald's, or C. Burger King, or D. Taco Bell? The correct answer is C. Burger King. Which soft drink brand is known for its golden can? A. Sprite, or B. Coca-Cola, or C. D. Dr. Pepper? The correct answer is C. Pepsi. What company produces the gaming console called PlayStation? A. Nintendo, or B. Sony, or C. Microsoft, or D. Sega? The correct answer is B. Sony. Which automotive manufacturer has a logo featuring four interlocked rings? A. Volkswagen, or B. Audi, or Mercedes-Benz, or D. BMW? The correct answer is B. Audi. Which company is recognized for its household cleaning products and detergents? A. Ajax, or B. Purex, or C. Clorox, or D. Tide? The correct answer is D. Tide. What online retailer began as a bookstore? A. Walmart, or B. Barnes & Noble, or C. eBay, or D. Amazon? The correct answer is Amazon. Which footwear brand is famous for its Chuck Taylor All-Stars? A. Converse, or B. Puma, or Adidas, or D. Nike? The correct answer is A. Converse. What is the name of the automotive company with a prancing horse logo? A. Maserati, or Ferrari, or C. Porsche, or D. Lamborghini? The correct answer is B. Ferrari. Which candy brand is known for its colorful, chewy, fruit-flavored candies? A. Snickers, or B. Twizzlers, or C. Skittles, or D. M&Ms? The correct answer is C, Skittles. What technology company is famous for its search engine? A, Google, or B, Apple, or C, Yahoo, or D, Microsoft? The correct answer is A, Google. Which brand is famous for its luxury handbags and leather goods? A, Louis Vuitton or Prada, or C, Burberry, or D, Gucci? The correct answer is A, Louis Vuitton. What athletic brand is known for its The Jumpman logo? A, Nike, or B, Adidas, or C, Reebok, or D, Air Jordan? The correct answer is D, Air Jordan. Which toy brand is known for its construction brick sets? A, Tinkertoy, or B, Playmobil, or C, Knex, or D, Lego? The correct answer is D, Lego. Which company produces popular smartphones known for their camera quality? A, Google, or B, Apple, or C, Nokia, or D, Samsung? The correct answer is D, Samsung. Which car manufacturer produces the Camry? A, Honda, or Ford, or C, Nissan, or D, Toyota? The correct answer is D, Toyota. Which international airline has a logo featuring a flying bird? British Airways, or B, Air France, or C, Emirates, or D, Qatar Airways? The correct answer is A, British Airways. What company has a logo representing a blue oval? Facebook, or B, Ford, or C, Nike, or D, Samsung? The correct answer is B, Ford. Which iconic candy is known for its peanut butter filling and chocolate coating? A, Twix, or Reese's, or C, M&M's, or D, Snickers? The correct answer is B, Reese's. What furniture retailer is known for its flat pack style and Swedish origins? A, Home Goods, or B, Ashley Furniture, or C, IKEA, or D, Lasboy? The correct answer is C, Kia. Which pizza brand has the slogan fresh, hot, and delicious? A, Pizza Hut, or B, Little Caesars, or C, Domino's Pizza, or D, Papa John's? The correct answer is A, Pizza Hut. What beverage company is known for its sports drinks and hydration products? A, Powerade, or B, Snapple, or C, Red Bull, or D, Gatorade? The correct answer is D, Gatorade. What cosmetics company features a well-known pink lipstick range? A, Maybelline, or B, CoverGirl, or C, L'Oreal, or D, Revlon? The correct answer is A, Maybelline. What sandwich chain is known for its foot-long subs? A, Subway, or B, Quiznos, or C, Jimmy John's, or D, Jersey Mike's? The correct answer is A, Subway. Which electronics brand has a famed high-definition TV range called OLED? A, Samsung, or B, Sony, or C, LG, or D, Panasonic? The correct answer is CLG. What financial services company features a blue and silver eagle logo? A, American Express, or B, PayPal, or C, FedEx, or D, PepsiCo? The correct answer is A, American Express. Which brand is known for its playful, colorful ice cream products? A, Baskin-Robbins, or B, Ben & Jerry's, or C, Haagen-Dazs, or D, Dairy Queen? The correct answer is B, Ben & Jerry's. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.